Yeah. I am playing Grounded on Xbox One once again. Let's keep playing.
Signal detected.
What was that? Some sort of radio signal? I wonder where it's coming from. Yeah!
Okay, Leprechaun, turn off the game right now, little son.
Why, Mr. Herbert?
Because we are going to the bank in downtown. Now you're coming with me.
Okay, fine.
Okay, Leprechaun, while I'm in the office you need to sit down somewhere while I go do something.
Okay. Oh, and also I have to go to the bathroom.
Oh, okay, Leprechaun, meet me at the front desk. I'll be right there.
Got it. Oh my gosh, I see construction over there holding the beam with ropes on the crane. Which I have an idea already. I am going to cut the rope and cause the beam to fall down on the ground. Oh, and there's also a car. I am going to destroy a vehicle down there with the beam. Ha 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 ha. I'm on my way up there right now. Okay, I found pliers and scissors, and I got them right here in my hands. I am going to jump out the window and go on that incomplete building and crush the beam to fall down on the car. Ha 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 ha. Oh wow 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 wow, that hurt. But anyways, I'm going to cut this rope with a big plier and make a beam crash on the car. Ha 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 ha.
Cut the ropes from the crane and made the beam crash onto someone's car. What the heck is the matter with you? That's it. I am calling the cops.
I did it for fun. Wah.
That's bad, you have crashed someone's car with a beam because you cutted the rope to pieces, and it don't matter. You will be reported and going to jail.
No, please. Wah.
Shut up.
Wah. Okay, Mr. Lep, you have 2 visitors.
Yeah, I know you. I came to visit so I can yell at you.
Look, sir, I'm sorry for what I did. I meant to do that for fun, to play just like playing toys.
That was a weird thought you said, you son of a nutcracker. That is not a toy, you little green weirdo. You have caused so much damage at my construction site, you little green son of a nutcracker. I'm leaving. Don't mess with my stuff again.
I cannot believe you just did something very bad across the street. You just caused so much destruction over there, and also destroyed someone's car. What the heck is the matter with you?
Mr. Herbert, I'm sorry. It is supposed to be for fun like playing toys.
It don't matter. You're not supposed to be doing that stuff. That is very illegal. What the heck is wrong with you? That is not playing toys, you little green weirdo. That's it. You will be grounded when you get out of jail soon, and you will be in a confinement card also. See ya.
Wah.